Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. It's Task Force Off-Road. I'm George here, and we're starting the Jeep rebuild well, I say rebuild, but we need to fix it. We're getting there. If you're new to the channel and you like Jeep content or automotive content in general, please subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, and make it all the way to the end, guys. But without further ado, we're gonna get into it and talk about what we're gonna be doing today. Okay guys, so if you missed the last video on my Jeep, we got in quite a car accident here. So we're gonna start disassembling some stuff and see what's broken here. And if you notice, this bender's not even on anymore. Yeah. So let's go ahead and take this guy off real fast, and we can start seeing what the actual damage is. And yeah, so before you ask any questions, the insurance company has already seen this, so they know what we're working with here. So let's just start by removing stuff. Okay, let's just yep, there's no glass everywhere. Oh yeah, that feels great. Okay, there we go.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Alright guys, we got everything taken down, and we have good news and bad news right now. Good news is the frame itself doesn't appear to be tweaked. And when I say the frame itself, I mean the vast majority of the frame. If we can take a look at the front frame rail, this is the one of the side that didn't have the impact. It looks relatively straight. Nothing's coming up there, and this looks pretty straight on. If you take a level to it, it's flat, it's square, it's level, no issues with it whatsoever. Now we go to the driver's side frame rail, where it took all the impact, and you can see, get the shadow out of the way, so we can see that portion of the frame box is coming up, the weld is broken, so that could be an easy fix. And then if you look at it from this angle, you can see the driver's side of this driver's side frame rail is tweaked back a hair. So structurally wise, I think the frame's gonna be fine. When it comes to mounting things though, we're gonna need a little bit of frame repair, a little bit of welding done. I don't know how I plan on doing that yet. I might call a frame repair shop professional, because honestly this doesn't look like too hard of a job, so I think they'd be able to make quick work of it rather than me try and figure this out for myself and probably make it worse. And then while it's there, I'd probably have them do some paint correction where the glass ruined the paint. Now we also have one more thing. The Jeep's throwing a code for the ECS right now. The wheel's a little bit off, so that could be an easy reason why we're throwing that code. So I'm gonna go get my super chips, we're gonna read the code, we're gonna see what we're dealing with here, if it gives me any more information than just electronic stability control. So that's gonna be the next portion here. Give me like two seconds. It's gonna be like 5 minutes for me, it's gonna be like 2 seconds for you. So invalid data received from multi-axis acceleration sensor module. Okay. Invalid data received from brake system control module. Okay. Medium speed CAN combus. I'm hoping it's just the fact that right now this is close to where the wheel is straight, so we'll find out, guys. But I'll get back more to you guys on that one. Just slow rolling here. I still got a couple things I gotta do to get this thing street ready, pretty much, so like I can drive it while I'm waiting for repairs and stuff. But you'll see more of that within this episode, so just stay with me. In like 2 seconds, you'll see more coming at you. Okay, guys, we're back. This is day 2 of the rebuild project in the Jeep here. So, first things first for this order of business. You guys saw me check out the codes, what was wrong with it. You also saw me check out, well, we ripped the front bumper off. We found a little bit of frame damage we had, and a couple other odds and ends so far within this episode. This is a couple of days earlier. Okay, so today it's been really rainy outside for the last like week, and I've just been throwing water and dirt everywhere, including inside the engine bay. And that's no bueno. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and is that flat? Oh, well, I'll mess with that one. Put fenders on. Okay, so I'm gonna try and repurpose the stock inner fender liner and get this to work with what I need. Anyways, we're going to try and get the stock inner fender liner to work. I'm probably going to mount it to some of these holes with zip ties or something, just to get me something, some sort of protection going on here, because right now I got nothing, so that needs to get fixed. So that's first order of business. Second order of business is going to be to straighten out the steering wheel. So right now the steering wheel is a little bit to the left. That's an easy fix within the drag link. I'm going to have someone get inside the Jeep, tell me when the steering wheel is straight, and that's going to be that. You're going to see that as well. And then when it comes to this minute little framework I have to do here, like really minute, like it's not bad, honestly. I had a professional look at it, and he suggested that I can probably do it myself. So he gave me a couple ideas, and I'm gonna give that a shot. I should have something coming in either today or tomorrow to get that done. So you guys are going to see that as well. But that'll be in the next episode. So without further ado, we're going to get started today. Guys, I gotta say, this worked out a little better than I thought it was gonna. I think I'm gonna trim this part still, but I'll use probably use a razor blade for that, because it's plastic. I don't need to use the angle grinder, it's just easier. Yeah, I think that's enough zip ties too. This isn't a permanent solution, obviously, but this is just to keep some of the grime and stuff out of the engine compartment while I'm waiting for parts, and this is gonna do the job. Okay, so now I have to get rid of the trash, back the Jeep, back up, and start messing around with the good old drag link. So, cut to that. Alright guys, so that's going to be all for today's episode and rebuild episode number 1. There's a lot more coming. I got a lot of parts ordered so far, so we're just waiting for stuff to come in right now, and then we can start piecing the Jeep back together. Also, if any of you guys have suggestions on paint guns to get for auto body, please leave it down in the comment section below, because I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to that stuff, and we're going to learn together when it comes to painting an automobile, so that's going to be a lot of fun, guys. So stay tuned. Next episode, we're going to be fixing the frame up here, because those parts should be done. And we're also going to be getting rid of this rust that we got going on here. So we're going to be cleaning the frame up, straightening the frame up, and other than that, guys, stay tuned. Like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that typical jazz. And I also wanted to say one more thing. When we hit 400 subscribers, I'm going to do another giveaway
closer to 400, I'll reveal what the giveaway is. But at 400, we're gonna do another giveaway. So we're about 35 subscribers away from that. So subscribe to the channel, guys. You won't regret it, I promise. And if you want to learn how to do more stuff in your Jeep, and you just like cars in general, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right.